Hello student, I am Meena Dikshit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is very important question asked in IIT and NEET and other exams also. Here they are asking two type of question. First they are asking write down the ozone basis of this compound, and second they are asking they are giving you product and asking what are the reactant. So identify the reactant which produces this product. So write down this product first, okay, and they are asking identify the product which will be the product over here. So definitely here dicarbonyl group is present. It means if it is cleaved, so there must be double bond between these two carbonyl groups. So remove oxygen from this, oxygen from here, and link these carbon by double bond. So I COCH3 was there, I removed O. CHO was there, I removed O. So and link them together by double bond. Very easy, we will get this reactant. Okay, this is alkene. Earlier it is dicarbonyl group, and when it is a cyclic compound, at that moment there must be double bond. Then only we will get two carbonyl groups on the same molecule. Okay, until and unless it is not a by this cyclic compound, we will not get this type of reactions. So we'll get alkene, cyclic alkene will be there, and which is fused with the benzene ring. Now this compound they have given, and on ozone basis what will happen? So at that moment ring will open. When ring will be open, at that moment O will be coming over here and O coming will be here, and we will get the same product. See, two carbonyl groups. So a very easy way I have given you explanation why I have selected this, because if double bond is present, then only we'll get dicarbonyl groups. Okay, CHO group, because one H is here, so oxygen is cleaving. So when during ozone basis, what you have to do? Remove this, omit on double bond, and put O and link them together, and then cleavage occur. So CHO group different and COCH3 different. So COCH3 alone it will not be there, so it will be keto group. Here I have written C double bond OCH3 here, okay, and CCH3 down. Okay, so in this way we'll get aldehyde group as well as this keto group in the same molecule. So it will give iodoform test, and it will give tolerance region test. Both the tests they are giving. Clear to you? I think everything is clear. When they are, sometimes they are giving you reactant and they are asking product, sometimes they are giving product and they are asking reactant. At that moment, remember that dicarbonyl groups only obtained when there will be a cyclic compound and it is having double bond. When double bond is broken, then this CHO group is separated and COCH3 group is separated. Here CHO group separated, COCH3 group is separated. Okay, rest part will remain